Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. I'm on the Aussie Yen daily chart, got my monthly, weekly, day support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're referenced in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the Aussie Yen had quite an extreme move on Friday, back up to the daily resistance area here at 90.15. I've just highlighted an area of resistance 90.15 daily up to the high level of daily resistance here at 90.77. In the middle we have a monthly resistance area. So earlier in the month we failed up here to trade down 2 weeks ago, and we've come back up to the same area. So at the start of the week, 90.15 up to 90.77, this resistance area. Is price going to be able to move through this area and beyond, or are we simply coming back into this area to move back down? It's a known resistance area, so Monday, Tuesday, don't be surprised to see price falter in that area and move back down the range. So watching that area to be resistance for a potential reversal back down the range. Alright traders, moving on to the Aussie dollar. Now we managed to decline below and hold below what is weekly support that's been at 66.29 over here. Got the interest rate decision on Tuesday. Will price come down and test the lower level now of weekly support at 65.64, and can it continue the decline? Not expecting a hike on Tuesday, but you never know. So can the decline continue to test and move below 65.64 next week? This could be a strong area of support for a move back up. So that's a level to watch. Can it be tested? Can price break below it, or does it hold as support for a move back up the range? Alright traders, moving on to Euro Yen. Had a very extreme move on Friday, so highly volatile this pair at the moment. We moved above monthly resistance, last year's high here at 148.39, and also broke above and closed above 149.77. That's the December 2014 high. You need to go back in time to find that. So very extreme move. We're at very extreme high prices at the moment. Can we continue up? So as a trader, I will be looking for a pullback. This is way too high just to jump in and buy. I mean, this could just simply continue up at the start of the week, but I would look for a pullback. Today's support 148.62 could come down to the monthly level at 148.39. Can you see a pullback? Find intraday support at that level for a move back up to retest that high at 149.77. So can that extreme advance continue next week? Alright traders, on to Euro dollar. Slow going at the moment, holding its uptrend, high bottom, high top. Can't hold above this weekly top over here at 110.33. We've got the US and Euro interest rate decisions next week. For this uptrend to hold, it did hold there on Friday at 109.73 day support. Daily support needs to hold for this to continue up. So any further tests need to hold at 109.73. Can that level hold for a move above 110.33 next week? We could see a break of support. So 109.73 is a critical level of support to watch next week. Can that hold for a move above weekly resistance at 110.33? Alright traders, moving on to the pound yen. A very extreme move on Friday, so difficult to predict what will happen on Monday. Often after an extreme move we can have a pullback. So price may come up to test the next major level of resistance up here, which is 172.13 monthly resistance. We've broken above monthly resistance at 168.72, weekly resistance at 169.27. Now as a trader, if this trend is going to continue, in an ideal world what you'd like to see is a pullback to support. That's at 169.27 at the moment. Can that hold intraday or intra-week to be support to continue the move up. Alright, so an extreme move on Friday. We could simply just carry on and test the higher level of monthly resistance now, or look for a pullback. Does that pullback offer support for the next move up? Alright traders, last pair to review for the weekend, pound dollar. Now it has been rather range bound, did have a nice move up on Friday, and has closed above this resistance level here at 125.46. So the uptrend, consolidation into a slight uptrend there, just still holding the trend just there. So at the start of the week, can we continue the move up? Closing above 125.46 on Friday, can that just continue up now towards next major level of resistance is monthly at 126.61. Can we start to move towards that level next week? Or do we simply false break the top of that range, and do we start to move down? Support is at 124.74 day support, and potentially now monthly support at 124.48. This double top area, we're seemingly above it now. Is that going to offer support on any pullback? There is that broader range there that the market may operate to still. So at the start of the week, can we start to hold above 125.46, the top of the range there, for a move towards 126.61 monthly resistance? We could of course false break that top and move back down within the range. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.